Okay, today we are going to discuss writing our argumentative essay using the book The Outsiders. So here are the directions. The Outsiders by S.E. Hinton explores the theme of stereotyping and its effect on the characters. Write an argumentative essay based on which character you think is the most affected by stereotyping. As always, you have to answer the 3 prompts. How is the character stereotyped? How is the character affected by the stereotype? And what I mean by that is, does a character defy or accept it? Does that particular character accept the stereotype that he or she is given, or wants nothing to do with it? And lastly, in what way does the character not fit the stereotype? So we're going to call this a counterclaim. And in an argumentative essay, we show a counterclaim, meaning that we show the opposite side of what you're trying to prove. So we're going to show whether or not that character is opposite of the way that they are portrayed. So your essay must include 5 paragraphs. It must be typed. No handwritten essay will be accepted. 12 font, Times New Roman and double space. Text support for all your paragraphs. Text support, text detail is very important. And it is due Friday, June 5th. Okay, so what I have here is a 5-paragraph graphic organizer. So for today, what I like to go over is the introduction. So paragraph 1 in an essay is always the introduction. So you need a central idea. Another word for a central idea is a main idea. So I came up with S.E. Hinton, author of the book The Outsiders, uses stereotypes to show how it affects the characters such as Dally Winston. Dally Winston is one of our main characters of the story, and he does fit a typical stereotype, which I will go through in a minute. In an introduction, we add a hook. A hook is an item in a writing piece that grabs the reader's attention. It makes the reader want to read what else is going to be written. So my hook is, does the use of stereotyping help create a character? And then lastly, the reasons for your position. So we have to show why we're choosing one side in an argumentative essay. So Dally is stereotyped as a greaser, tough, violent, lower class, and has certain dress attire, but shows a softer side at times. So as you are showing your position, you also have to show the counterclaim in the introduction so the reader knows that you're going to show a little bit of the other side. And as always, in every paragraph that we write, we have a concluding sentence. And basically the way I think about it is that it's the bow on the package after you're done wrapping it. So my concluding sentence is, Dally will show the effects of stereotyping throughout the story. So as a reader and a writer, I know now that this whole essay is going to be about how the character Dally will be stereotyped as a greaser, which is a violent individual who gets in trouble, but the counterclaim is going to be that at times he shows a softer side to him. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is to work on your own for today, and then we'll review it tomorrow.